Welcome to this aBlocks tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to add a sticky effect to your WordPress site using aBlocks, so your chosen elements stay visible as visitors scroll. Sticky effect keeps an element fixed on the screen while the rest of the page scrolls. First, open the page section where you want to apply the sticky effect. Select the element you want to make sticky. This could be a header, menu, call to action button, or any other block on your page. Next, go to the Advanced Settings and open the Motion Effects panel. Here, you'll find the Sticky Effect option. Simply choose whether you want your element to stick to the top or the bottom of the screen. After enabling the sticky effect, you can fine-tune how and where it applies. Under Apply Effect On, choose the devices you want the sticky effect to work on: desktop, tablet portrait, or mobile portrait. The offset setting lets you add space before the sticky effect starts, while the effect offset controls how far the element moves before it becomes sticky. Finally, there's an entrance animation option, allowing you to pick a smooth animation for when the sticky element appears on the screen. After you've finished every customization, click Save to apply all the effects to your page. And that's it. You've now mastered the sticky effect with aBlocks. Use it to keep your most important elements visible as visitors scroll, making your website more engaging and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more aBlocks features to take your designs to the next level.